Today, we're diving deep to keep your Proboat Miss Geico looking and running its absolute best. Step 1: Visual Inspection. Examine your boat after each run. Look for any visible debris, dirt, or water spots, especially on the hull and around the water intake and rudder. It only takes a quick moment to see where you need to focus your cleaning efforts. Step 2: the rinse down. Using fresh, clean water, gently rinse the entire boat. Avoid using high-pressure hoses, as they can damage delicate electronics and decals. The water will loosen any dirt and grime. Step 3: gentle wiping. Employ a soft cloth or microfiber towel to carefully wipe down the hull and any other accessible surfaces. Pay close attention to areas where dirt tends to collect, like the edges and around the motor mount. This removes residual grime. Step 4: cleaning the intake. The water intake is very important. Using a soft brush, gently clear any debris that may have accumulated near the water intake. Make sure the intake is clear of obstructions to keep the boat running. Step 5: component check. Open the hull and check for any water buildup inside. Use an absorbent towel to soak up excess moisture. Keep a lookout for any loose wires or damaged components while you are in there. Step 6: proper drying. Allow your Miss Geico to air dry completely in a well-ventilated area, out of direct sunlight, before storing. This prevents any potential issues and extends the life of your boat. Following these simple steps will keep your Proboat Miss Geico running smoothly, looking fantastic, and ready for your next adrenaline-pumping run on the water.